And getting more from the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, where the investigating authorities say a preliminary analysis of the payload carried by the two drones used in the attack of the IAF station indicates that there was a cocktail of chemicals, including RDX, that may have been used. However, investigators are yet to establish the flight path of the unmanned aerial vehicles. Let me straight away go across to Gursimran now, who's joining us live at this point in time. Gursimran, the use of RDX may have been a possibility of the suspected attack that happened at the airbase there in Jammu. There was yet another suspected movement of drone that was intercepted by our security forces on time. Can you tell us more what the authorities have and the investigative authorities have got to know till now?
Yes, the two agencies, they are probing the nature of the blast, the type of explosive that was used, and that is the forensic team of Jammu and Kashmir Police, the local unit, as well as the NSG's National Bomb Data Center. Both the teams arrived here and they were looking into it, how actually it happened and what was the modus operandi and what came into being of the NSG, which is probing the matter, that an RDX was used to carry out the explosions inside the Indian Air Force Station in Jammu. And now they have sent it for the further investigation. We can expect that today the report will arrive, the forensic report from the Jammu unit of the forensics, and it will clear some air that which explosive was used, because sources in the police are telling me that it is really very important that we get the exact type of explosive that was used, because that will help us to zero in some of the suspected terror groups which could be possibly behind this. Because if we speak of now the Jammu and Kashmir police or the security forces, they are yet to get the initial breakthrough. So they are hoping that the forensic report that will arrive will give them a breakthrough. And yes, you have rightly mentioned that there was another threat from the drones to the army establishment in the Ratnuchak, Kaluchak area of Jammu, but that was thwarted by the allied troops of Indian Army and the quick reaction teams that were deployed there by the Indian Army after an alert was sounded.
All right, Gulsimran, thanks very much for joining in as we continue to put forth the latest investigative details that are now coming out of the Jammu airbase attack. What we are getting to know that there may have been a possible use of the RDX in the explosion that took place on the early morning of the 27th of June. Let's move on now and get you more national updates.